Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So on this lecture here, we're gonna add buttons and labels to our small application that's not that big right now, right? But it's getting there. Let me come back here and we can see that right there. This is what we got so far. But this is gonna be a full-blown application once we finish the levels. Anyway, let's go here. Make sure you turn that off. All right. I mean, click it off or, Anyway. Let's go ahead and add some buttons here. So very simple here. Let me see. We got the container, the central widget, and we got the layout, right? Let's put this together here. Then we got the label, all right? Well, this is the main label here, but we don't need this no more. So what we can do is, let's call this the title label, just like that, okay? All right. And let's go ahead and add a subtitle label. Let's add one more here. And so you can see some of the stuff going on here. Subtitle. Yeah, I'm spelling that correctly. I'm trying to look for, trying to learn this stuff, guys. Anyway, how to spell things in English. So yeah, let's add some buttons. There we go. Students, oh my God, I missed the S here. All right, let's go ahead and add our first button. So let's call this BTM. Okay, I know I'm not the best one with names, but yeah, please bear with me for a minute. So what I'm gonna do here, let me just do it here. I'm going to add this push button. All right, there we go, that class. And all we got to do here is just say OK on this button. Simple as that, right? And then we're going to also create another button here to say cancel. So we use the same thing as this. OK, but instead of OK, we're going to say cancel. Just like that. All right. We got this add widget label that we're adding. So now we need to update this to say title label right here. Okay. All right. And then, okay, let's go ahead and add a couple more. Well, we only have one more here. Subtitle label right there. Boom. All right. And now also let's add, let me just copy this a couple times. Oops, what in the world? Why am I copying this? There we go. All right, so we're gonna add another widget, which would be the button, the BTN, okay, and then we're gonna add the BTN cancel. Simple as that. We have our central widget location. We don't need to touch this here, and we don't need to touch that one either. All right, and that's all we gotta do here, guys. Basically, what we did here was we renamed some things, right? But we created another label. We created two buttons, the OK button and the cancel button, and then we just added them. That's all we did here. Super simple. Make sure you save your file, and let's go ahead and execute this. And there we have it, guys. If it wasn't because of our QBots layout, this thing would be all over the place, and we would have to play around with it. You see it's stretching. This button is expanding all the way across from one side of the window to the right, from the left to the right. This is because of the QBots layout. Everything is being done for us, all right? But not only that, but things are stacked up, right? So we got this on top, this label, we got the next label, we got this button and this button. It's vertically stacked, okay? You're gonna see how this actually works later on when we start styling this and making this look nice. But anyway, guys, that's it for this lecture. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Guys, remember to like the video, subscribe. One thing here that I want to make you aware, sometimes my lectures will go up, around 5 minutes to 10 minutes. I try to make them small depending on what I'm doing. It's because I want you guys to digest this information. I want you guys to play around with this code yourself, try it out, and then go to the next lecture, all right? This is not for you guys just to watch and go to the next lecture. I want you guys to play around with the code a little bit and then go to the next lecture, okay? Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next lecture.